What's up, y'all? It's Khalil the Mechanic with a quick tips and trick type of video. As you can see right here, I'm doing a Starlight headliner. This is going in an Equinox, and this one is going to be fairly easy because it's just all roof. We don't have a sunroof. We don't have any dome lights in the middle. We don't have TVs, nothing but roof. So headliners like this are definitely a lot easier, but this set of tips and tricks will work for any headliner that you decide to do. So as we can see, there are a lot of strings. This kit here has 570, which is not a lot, but it still can be very messy. I got it cleaned up right now. But how I do it to make it easier is I start by dividing the headliner into sections. So you see I got all these boxes here and lines to separate them. So I start with that. I just divided this one into roughly 8 even sections, and then I labeled them A through G or H, whatever the 8th letter in the alphabet is. You see I got B, D, well, anyways, you get the point. But so yeah, that's how I do it. I start by dividing it in sections, and then we have 570 strings. So I divided 570 by 8 sections, which gave me roughly 71 strings per section. So after that, I end up drawing out the dots for it. So each section, 71 dots, dot, 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 and so on. And then I poke the holes in them, and then I circle them so that I know that I poked the hole. And then this is the part that's a game changer, because here is where the lights all start. This is where they're gonna connect. So as you know, the lights that go in this section will be a lot shorter than the ones that go up in the front of the vehicle. So there's no need to have a very long string if it's only going from the light box here to right here. So I stuck them in here just to like keep them from moving around while I do the process, and zip tied the sections off. So we have, for example, section C. These only go up to right here, and section C is right here. So count out 71 strings, zip tie them together, and then I pull them, and I make sure that it's enough to cover the entire surface area with a little bit of extra, just so that we can pull it through, glue it in and cut it. And then I cut it to that length per section, and then just put a piece of tape around it and label it so that you know what you're dealing with. And that right there is all you have to do, and that will make your life a lot easier and cleaner while you're doing this. So I hope you found this helpful. If not, sorry, but I'm pretty sure this will help, because I do this for every single headliner I do, and it just makes everything a lot better. And if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, do me a favor, make sure you like it, subscribe to the channel, because I have a lot more content like this coming, and drop any comments and thoughts that you have. Thank you.